Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Anchorage for custody account setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of Anchorage for your custody account setup, visit the Anchorage website. On the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the process. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to provide your email address. After entering your email, check your inbox for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your email address and proceed. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a secure password. Choose a strong password and confirm it in the designated field. Next, access your account dashboard by logging in with your email and password. Here, you will be guided through an onboarding process. Fill in the required information about your institution and your role within it. You may need to upload supporting documentation to complete your profile. Follow the prompts carefully and ensure all information is accurate. Once your profile is set up, navigate to the Settings section of your dashboard. Here, you will find options to enable two-factor authentication. It is highly recommended to activate this feature for enhanced security. After securing your account, proceed to create your custody account. Select the option for account setup and choose the type of custody account you need. Fill in the detailed information requested for the custody account application. Review the terms and conditions provided and accept them to continue. Submit your application once you have verified that all information is correct. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. The Anchorage team may reach out for any additional documentation if necessary. Once your custody account is approved, you will receive another notification. Log back into your Anchorage dashboard to access your newly created custody account. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the setup process. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Anchorage for your custody account setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.